Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use AI generate product description. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you use Copy AI to generate like different product descriptions, it will be pretty much easy. All you got to do is simply go to Copy AI, and once you go there you will end up in this kind of interface. So here you need to simply get logged in or sign in into your account. Once you are signed in or logged into your account, you can simply formulate your description in a way that allows customers to quickly and easily access or understand what they are buying. So if you get or purchase the Copy AI from your monthly plans that they provide, you can have your product description generated easily. You can simply organize the information in a way that is easy to digest and highlight the USPs. Use short sentences, headings, and bullet points to make the product description scannable. So this is how you can simply use AI to generate product description. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.